Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Costa Rica has no military for purposes of safety. Its military was dissolved in 1949 after a civil war, and there are no armed forces to this day. Number of Indians in Gulf countries. 100 million-year-old gecko trapped in Amber. China created a battery that can keep your phone charged for 50 years. India has built 16-kilometer highway overpass to allow animals to pass under it. According to a legend in Iceland, if you don't get new clothes at Christmas, you will be eaten by a giant cat. Scientists create the world's roundest object by fusing over $1 million worth of silicon 28 atoms together. There is no specific symbol for zero to represent in Roman number system. Drivers can face fines and up to a 6-month license suspension if they run out of fuel on the autobahn, the road where you can drive as fast as you want. Major acne triggers. In 2017, police arrested a 99-year-old woman so she could cross it off her bucket list. Wilkinson Sword was one of the earliest manufacturers of motorcycles in 1903. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. The speed of the wind has fallen by 60% in the last 30 years. In the USA, any ransom payments you might make to a kidnapper are tax deductible. Ireland begins basic income program for artists, giving 2,000 people $350 a week to pursue creative projects. There was a pigment of paint called mummy brown that actually contained ground up mummies. No one in the world can lie to you if they look into your eyes. Kia parrots warble together when they are in a good mood, making them the first known non-mammal species to communicate with infectious laughter. In the early 1900s, German kids used to die from diarrhea until a doctor invented carrot stew which saved thousands of lives. History Supreme is the most expensive luxury boat worth $4.8 billion. This 98.4-foot super yacht is covered in 100,000 kg of gold, platinum and jewels. Ethanol fire, invisible fire, is almost invisible in bright sunlight to the naked eye because it burns blue flames and they are smokeless. The longest anyone has held their breath underwater is over 24.5 minutes. These paintings are by C.Y. Twombly, one of the most expensive contemporary artists. His paintings range from $2 million up to $75 million. Scientists have revealed that the atmospheric region in Antarctica has remained unchanged despite human-related activities around the globe. The air is free from any kind of pollutants and aerosol particles. In 2019, Singapore abolished the ranking system for exams, saying learning is not a competition. Scientists have created hexagonal salt for the first time. Employers put entry level in job titles to trick applicants into accepting less pay. If the entry level job requires you to have significant experience, demand more than starting pay. This renewable electricity generator has been developed by German company SinPower, which is capable of generating power from the force of the water, the blowing air as well as the sun above. The Nagoya Transportation Bureau recovers around 40,000 lost umbrellas each year. Around one quarter of them are claimed. The remaining three quarters are sold off after their holding period expires. The flu virus has a gel like coating that keeps it protected in cold temperatures. The coating starts to melt around 72 degrees Fahrenheit, so warmer weather means it's more vulnerable in the open air. The closer it gets to freezing, the safer it is inside its shell, which melts once it's in your body. Triglycerides are a type of fat found in the blood derived from the food we eat. Any calories that the body does not need right away get converted into triglycerides and are stored in fat cells. Later, hormones release these triglycerides for energy between meals. There is a reason we avoid each other in elevators. You stare at the buttons, check your phone, or look anywhere except the other people because you instinctively react to a perceived threat of aggression from them, even though there is no actual threat. Men Lost at Sea for 29 Days says it was a nice break from reality. Places you should stay silent. Be silent if you don't know the full story. Be silent in the heat of anger. Be silent when you feel too emotional. Be silent if your words can offend a person. Be silent if your words can destroy a friendship. Thanks for watching.